Hello, everyone. Welcome to our slow English story time. My name is Hannah, and today I will read a short story for you. The story is called Sarah and Max. Sarah is a girl, and Max is her best friend. But Max is not a person, Max is a dog. Yes, a big, happy dog. This story is for beginner English learners. I will read slowly and clearly so you can listen, learn, and enjoy. Are you ready to meet Sarah and Max? Let's begin. Sarah lives in a small house with a garden. She has a dog named Max. Max is a big dog with brown fur. He has long ears and a friendly face. Max is 3 years old. Every morning, Sarah wakes up at 7 o'clock. She makes coffee and eats breakfast. Max sits next to her and waits for his food. Sarah gives Max his breakfast. He eats it very quickly. After breakfast, Sarah and Max go for a walk. They walk to the park near their house. The park has many trees and a small lake. Max loves to run in the park. He likes to chase birds and squirrels. Sarah throws a ball and Max brings it back to her. They play for 1 hour. When they finish at the park, they walk home. Sarah has to go to work. She works in a small shop in town. She sells books and coffee. Sarah tells Max, "Be a good dog. I will come home at 5 o'clock." Max sits by the window and watches Sarah leave. While Sarah is at work, Max sleeps on the sofa. Sometimes he looks out the window. He can see birds in the garden. Max wants to chase them, but he stays inside the house. At 5 o'clock, Sarah comes home. Max is very happy to see her. He jumps and barks. His tail moves quickly from side to side. Sarah laughs and pets Max. "Hello, my good boy. Did you miss me?" she asks. Sarah changes her clothes and makes dinner. She gives Max his dinner too. After dinner, they sit in the living room. Sarah reads a book and Max lies at her feet. It is warm and quiet in the house. On Saturday, Sarah does not work. She and Max go for a long walk in the forest. The forest is big and beautiful. There are many smells for Max to discover. He runs ahead of Sarah and then comes back to check on her. They find a small river. Max jumps into the water. He swims and plays. Sarah sits on a rock and watches him. She is happy because Max is happy. When the sun starts to go down, they walk home. Max is tired after his big day. When they get home, Sarah gives Max a bath. He does not like baths, but he stays still for Sarah. That night, Max sleeps on the floor next to Sarah's bed. She reaches down and pats his head. "Good night, Max. You are my best friend," she whispers. Max closes his eyes. He is a lucky dog. He has a good home and someone who loves him. Sarah is lucky too. She has a loyal friend who is always happy to see her. Every day with Max is a good day for Sarah, and every day with Sarah is a good day for Max. They take care of each other, and that is what friends do. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every minute you spend practicing brings you closer to fluency. So be proud of the progress you're making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss a lesson. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to learn next, leave a comment below. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.